Today we're going to show you how to stake NEAR tokens with Nightly Wallet, but before we get to that, Atlas Staking is continually adding validators, so the information you see here will change. But as of today, you can stake Akash, Avail, Babylon, Band, which is a cross-chain oracle bringing real-world data on-chain, Bitway, bringing banking to Bitcoin, and you can stake Bitcoin with us, Atom, the Cosmos Hub token, Ellis, Intento, which allows you to automate transactions cross-chain, Kava, Near Network, which is quickly becoming the AI blockchain, Osmosis, the premier DEX in Cosmos, Polygon, Ethereum's first layer 2, Radix, SATA Network, which all developers need to know about, Story Protocol, which might be the coolest project we support, tokenizing intellectual property, Stride Protocol, Symphony, a tokenized currency blockchain, and we've got a few chains on deck as well, so continually check our website for additional tokens that you can stake, and you can learn more about us near the bottom of our website, headquartered in Amsterdam, but our team is global. The future of blockchains is near, so let's talk about staking. From your wallet homepage, click into your NEAR position. On the next screen, tap that button that says Stake. Like many wallet providers, Nightly runs its own validator pool, and they, of course, want you to stake with them, but we really discourage people from staking with wallet provider validators because they get huge quickly, because they have a captive audience with people using their wallet, and large validators and large validator pools can be a threat to network security. So click the button that says Change Validator. The validator menu opens up, and you can type Atlas Staking in the search box up top. And then on the next screen, click the Atlas Staking pool. Now enter the number of NEAR tokens you would like to stake with our pool, and then click the button that says Create Position. And you did it! Your tokens are now successfully staked with the Atlas Staking pool, and you are reliably earning NEAR staking rewards. Thanks so much for staking with us. Click Close, and you'll be taken back to your wallet homepage. To access your staked tokens, click on your NEAR position on the wallet homepage. Then tap the button that says Stake. Nightly tries to get your attention again by showing you their pool, and again, as a gentle reminder, please do not stake with wallet provider validators. Tap the button that says Go to your stakes. Here you'll see your staked position, so tap the Atlas Staking pool. And here is where you see your staked tokens and the pool info. And if you want to add to the pool and stake more, you simply click that plus button in the top right corner. One of the very best ways to keep track of crypto transactions is using tax software like Coinly. And even if you're lucky enough to live in a country that doesn't require you to pay income taxes on your crypto gains and staking rewards, it's still a great platform just to keep everything all in one place as kind of a portfolio management tool. And we have a referral link that can get you a discount. But what's great is that you can use Coinly for free until you decide to generate a report. And so it's zero risk to try it out, and we'll show you exactly what it looks like here. Here we are inside the wallet page within Coinly. To get here, you just click that little menu button and then click Wallets, and you simply type the name of the centralized exchange or the blockchain that you want to import in that search box. So for the purpose of this example, we will type in NEAR, looking for the NEAR blockchain and syncing our NEAR wallet. And you'll see that you type NEAR, NEAR pops up, and then you simply click on that NEAR icon. On the next screen, give your wallet a name, paste in your receiving address, and then click that button that says Import, and the wheels are in motion. You will see a little notification in the corner letting you know that it's fetching your transactions from the blockchain, and your wallet will be ready to view in just a minute or two. And there you have it. You can see it has pulled in all transactions from your wallet address, and you didn't have to do anything. And it's really an amazing convenience. And we've tried several crypto tax platforms, and Coinly was by far the most bang for the buck and the simplest to use. So hopefully this gave you the courage to give it a shot and test it out. If you are seeing this video on YouTube or social media and you got something out of it, please give it a like or a thumbs up, and certainly feel free to share it. And check out atlasstaking.com to see which tokens you can stake with us to generate a little passive income from your idle crypto.